Email sent to suppliers report. From this report, you can view what are the emails your users has sent to a suppliers from the system. You can access this report from suppliers, reports, email sent to suppliers. From report filters, you can select a supplier. You can select range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all date range suppliers. You can select active suppliers, inactive suppliers, or both suppliers. From supply category, you can select particular supply category, range of supply categories, or if you don't select any supply category, system will display all supply categories. From date range, you can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, live to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range emails sent to suppliers report. Hit View Report button. From this report, you can view what are the emails your users have sent to your suppliers. You can view email date, sent from, sent to, recipient email address, type, document number. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original document. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, XLS, or these formats. You can print this report or you can email this report.